Hello and welcome to our channel Jora Vlogs. Today we're gonna make crab masala. So here I have about a kilo of crab cleaned nicely and oil in the kadai. So be generous with the oil. So we're gonna see the process of making crab masala. Alright, and first I'm gonna add some mustard seeds. Let the seeds pop. Once the oil is hot, that is when you need to add it in. And then half teaspoon of fenugreek. So once you add them, have the flame in low. And now they are popped nicely. Now we're gonna add about 2 medium size of onion. I've grounded it like onion paste. So this is 2 medium sized onion. I've grounded it to paste, nice paste. So this is gonna be an easy, simple recipe of crab masala, and not gonna make it too complicated. So if you want to make other ways, you need to roast all the ingredients, then ground it, and then fry it in the masala. So that's a little longer process. So I'm going to make it a simple and easy one for everyone to, it'll be easy for everyone to follow this. Just waiting for, the onion to turn a little brown. And once it is, you can add about 6 to 7 green chilies. And it also depends. The green chilies depends on your spice level. If you want it a little bit spicier, you can add even more. Curry leaves. 1 handful of curry leaves is enough, or if you want to have good flavor of it, you can add extra, no issues. So the chilies and the curry leaves, all these depend on your taste buds. If you want to make it spicier, you can add more of chilies. And then I'm gonna add some salt to this, because your onion will cook faster. I've just added some rock salt. You just need to turn a little golden brown. And once it is golden brown, we're gonna add other ingredients. Once your onions are golden brown, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of ginger and garlic, and also remember not to cook your crab in any of non-stick pan or any of non-stick kadas. It's good if you use an aluminum, steel or iron, because the crabs have those claws which are strong enough to scratch your non-stick, and which is not good. You keep mixing it, because it might get burnt at the bottom. So wait until the raw smell of your ginger garlic is gone. And at this stage I'm gonna add 1 spoon of red chili powder. So again, this depends on your taste buds. If you want it spicy, you can add extra. And then half teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 spoons of coriander powder, that is your dhania powder. If you notice, there's so much of oil, and now if you see, there's not even a drop of oil left in the kadai. So that's the reason, be a little generous with the oil. initially when you add, for the onions to fry. And okay, so once that is done, I'm gonna add jeera powder, about quarter teaspoon. And do not add too much of jeera powder, because that will give you a kind of bitter flavor when it gets cooked. So do not add too much, add little bit. And now I'm gonna put in tomato. What I've done is I have grinded the tomato like a tomato puree. Okay, so this is about 3 medium-sized tomatoes, and these are gonna go inside to get cooked. This is a very simple, just using the paste and the powders. And the salt can be added according to your taste level, how much you require. Based on that you can add your salt. You can see this nice color paste that is getting created, the masala. We're just waiting for the tomatoes to be cooked. You just need to get the raw smell out of it. So once that is done, we need to go pour a little more water. And then we're gonna put our crabs in. The masala gets really cooked fine, and the oil needs to get separated from the masala. That is the basic, indication that the masala is getting cooked. So any dish you make, that is the most basic indication. I'm pouring some water in. One mix. And now I'll have the lid on so that the masala gets cooked for some time. It's been about 5 minutes. We had a masala cooking in. As you can see how the oil is separated from the masala, and it is bubbling with happiness. So I added little extra water for the masala. So it depends, if you want it too thick, you can reduce the water quantity. If you want a little more of gravy types, add a little more of water. So that's how we will balance it. This stage, since our masala is cooked, we're gonna add pepper, about 1 tablespoon of the pepper powder, which went in to the masala. Once you have it, mix it nice. So the crab masala that I'm making, I want to have it with my, the white rice. It'll be really good. So I'm not making it too dry, not like complete tok type. So here I'm gonna have it little bit of semi-gravy types, because it'll be good to have with white rice. Now I'm gonna drop our crab into the masala. We're gonna add a crab inside. So drop one by one into the masala. So let the crab go in nice and get mixed with the masala. And when you after you add the crab, after the crabs are added in, we are not going to cook the crab for too long. So hardly for about 5 to 7 minutes, or 5 to 10 minutes you can give it that time, because we have added all the crabs in, okay, getting mixed with the masala. So the crab needs about 10 minutes to cook. You will find the crab changing its color. From what it is, it will change to orange in color. Do not find blue crab, so just using the crab what we got. So in crabs, the blue crab is very tasty. So if you do find blue crab, you can try with that. Okay, just coat all the crab with the masala, and once that is done, we're gonna close the lid for about 10 minutes and let it cook nicely in the masala. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. You can see the crab has changed its color. You can see it's nice orange color. So this means your crab is getting cooked, and it has got cooked fine. And I didn't add any extra water. The water content from the crab will be released into the masala. If you just want to make it dry, you can keep the flame on high and just keep mixing it, so the water content will get dried, and you can have a complete dry crab masala. But I prefer like this because I would like to mix it with white rice. Okay, so the crab masala is ready. Adipoli crab masala ready. Okay, at the last, I'm just gonna sprinkle some coriander leaves on it, fresh coriander leaves. Just putting in a handful of coriander leaves. You can see nice crab is ready. Slightly topping it with some masala. Ready adipoli on a crab. It's like the alien leg. Yeah, you can see the masala and the crab cooked really good. When you eat crab, it's always gonna be messy, so don't worry about getting messy. Not the football player Messi. Amazing it is. Break it. It's a little fight you need to have with the crab before you eat. You can see the crab, when it is cooked, it is orange in color. Just need to break open. Better have a strong teeth. The meat is amazing, sweet. With some masala, with some meat. Adipoliano. So yeah, do try this at home. Do let me know in the comment section how it was. Like, share, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Cheers.